Welcome to our Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular options, the BLACK+DECKER built-in dishwasher and a versatile countertop portable dishwasher. We'll dive into their features, pricing, and usability to help you make an informed choice for your kitchen needs. The BLACK+DECKER built-in dishwasher boasts 6 wash programs, allowing for versatile cleaning options tailored to your needs. It operates quietly, making it perfect for open-concept living spaces. In contrast, the countertop portable dishwasher features 4 cleaning modes, including drying and disinfection. It offers the convenience of automatic water absorption, whether connected to a faucet or a bucket, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space. When it comes to pricing, the BLACK+DECKER built-in dishwasher is priced at $999, reflecting its robust features and built-in design. On the other hand, the countertop portable dishwasher is significantly more affordable at $359, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers or those with smaller kitchens. The BLACK+DECKER built-in dishwasher offers a seamless integration into your kitchen, providing a permanent solution for dishwashing. Its capacity of 12 place settings is ideal for larger households. Conversely, the countertop portable dishwasher is designed for flexibility, easily fitting into smaller spaces and providing the option to connect to a water source as needed. This makes it perfect for apartments or temporary living situations. In conclusion, both dishwashers have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER built-in dishwasher is perfect for those seeking a permanent, high-capacity solution, while the countertop portable dishwasher offers flexibility and affordability. Which one suits your needs best? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.